Hello, my name is Cindy Vilori. For itinerary Margaret Island 3 days. Day 1 Araba en Playa Lago Exploration. 9 a.m. we are going to Airabat, Santiago Nariño International Airport. 11 a.m. we are checking into the hotel and settling in. 3 p.m. we will go to enjoy the sun and swim at Playa El Agua. 8 p.m. we will go to have dinner at the Seaside Restaurant. Day 2. Laguna de la Restinga National Park and dinner in Barbada. 9 a.m. we will go to Day 2 Laguna 9 a.m. de la Restinga National Park. 10 a.m. will take on a boat ride through the menus. 3 pre-go the visit San Cerro de Borromeo Fall in Pampata. 6 p.m. will exploration show and bookies in Pampata Center. 8 p.m. we're having dinner at seafood restaurant. Day 3. Cultura to and shopping 9 a.m. we'll go to visit the Marine Museum of Margaret. 11 a.m. exploration the Harrison Maker. 1 in go to try local dishes for the maker. 3 p.m. we'll go back to the hotel to collect our yogurt. 5 we'll go to the airport for a flight back. Thank you.